Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to install Spectrum TV app on Samsung Smart TV. Live TV streaming apps are getting more and more popular nowadays. A lot of live TV streaming apps are available for smart TVs in addition to smartphones and streaming devices. In that list, Spectrum TV is also there. You can install Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. With the Spectrum app, you can get access to live TV on demand shows and APG guide for all channels and closed caption support. So let's watch this video. I will explain step by step process. First of all, on your Samsung Smart TV remote, press the Smart Hub button. Click the apps option. Select the search icon that appears on the top right of the screen. Then type Spectrum TV using on the on-screen keyboard and click the Done button. Select the Spectrum TV app and tap the Install button. Wait for the download to complete. Then click the Open button to launch the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. If you are creating a new Spectrum account, it will take 24 to 72 hours of activation. Before that, you can't use the account of any smart TV. Suppose you have any errors while sign up, try again after 3 days.